The Kuppersmith project has looked like a shell of its former self for the last few weeks, but now that we're installing the new Cypress shakes, the character is coming back and the change is fabulous. When you see these gables covered with this stuff, you just can't help but like the place. It's like a friendly smile, begging you to come closer and meet someone. But installing these things is a little more time consuming than most other siding material.
Try to get out a couple different stacks. They cut these all out of the same board. We'll have a pattern in the way the board looks.
The shakes are small pieces that go up just one at a time.
Every so often I plumb one of them up.
And each one has to be trimmed around obstacles like the gable vents.
That may get it, maybe not, we might have to do it again.
On the side walls of the second floor, where there are a few odd angles, the work becomes even more tedious.